So I'm going to show you guys how I set up a romantic indoor picnic. So the first thing you want to do is lay down your thickest blanket or comforter. The more comforters, blankets you have, the better. If they can all be the same color, that's great. If not, that's okay too. You can just use the top blanket to cover the other ones underneath. Now I'm going to add some pillows with the matching pillowcases and just some random pillows from my couch. The most important thing here is just to make everything comfortable because you will be sitting on the floor. So now I'm just using some stools that I already had from Walmart and I'm covering them with the extra pillowcases. I'm doing this because the table that I'm using is kind of small. You can't really fit a whole lot, so I just have those stools there for extra, if you to put a plate or wine glass or whatever. And I'm just using some random furry blankets that I had around the house just to make it nice and cozy. So now I'm just adding a tray here with some candles. I'm gonna light the tea tree lights. I got those from Walmart. They were about $5 and I got 100 in a pack. You probably think you don't need that many, but the more candles the better. The tall candles are also from Walmart. Now I'm just gonna add wine glasses and a bottle of wine. This is also best to do at night or in a very dark room because again, the candles are just gonna look better if the room is completely dark. Now I'm going to add some rose petals. I got these from Amazon. I believe it's like 1,000 in a pack. You really don't need that many, but I'm sure Walmart sells these things also. You really could get all of these items from either Walmart or the Dollar Tree. And you can set up whatever word you like for the little candle setup. You could put love, you could put the person's name, whatever floats your boat, but the more candles, the better. Just adding more of the rose petals. Now I'm just setting up another little table here. The bubbly tower, I actually got that from Etsy, and it's cool because you can kind of put it together and take it apart. And this is the finished look. I thought it was super cute and my man loved it. Try it out.